Today we're making Christmas popcorn. Today we're going to be making Christmas popcorn. This is a great treat to share with your family and friends and also to bring to holiday parties. It's a huge hit with our customers. We're going to be needing popcorn, white chocolate chips, sprinkles, red and green M&Ms, and pretzel sticks. The only thing left to do is get popping. We have 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. A lot of people have been asking us about where we got our kettle, and we actually made this one. In fact, we made plans and instructions on how to do that, and there's a link to that in the description of this video. So check that out. Our nice fresh popcorn we just popped. We're gonna let this cool down and then we're gonna be on to the next step. Here we have 2.5 gallons of popcorn, 1 batch of popcorn that we just popped. We have our 1/2 pound of pretzels, 2 cups of Christmas M&Ms, Christmas sprinkles, and 2 bags of white chocolate chips. Let's melt these chocolate chips. So we're gonna put in about a teaspoon of oil. That's vegetable oil. Stir that up really good. We're gonna pop that in the microwave for 1 minute. There we go. Take out those chocolate chips, give them a stir. Back in the microwave, 30 more seconds. Give it another stir. Back in the microwave, 30 more seconds. While that's melting, we are going to add our 1/2 pound of pretzels to our popcorn. We're gonna add in our 2 cups of M&Ms. Stir that up. Clean that out. Stir it up. Now we're gonna take that, we're gonna dump that all inside here. Now we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna keep mixing this so it's fully coated. And as we do that, we're gonna sprinkle in those Christmas sprinkles a little at a time. Oh yeah, look how festive that's looking. We have the Christmas popcorn. Let's give it a try. So we have a piece of the M&Ms, a pretzel. Look at that. Get another piece in there with that sprinkles on there. Look how festive that looks. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that is so good. It's like the popcorn is buttery. Oh wow, the M&M, so nice and sweet, so good. And that white chocolate adds like a little different sweetness to that chocolate. Really good. Love the saltiness and the crunchiness of those pretzels. That is terrific. I can tell why this is one of our customers' favorite flavors, especially this time of year. So give it a try for this holiday season. Get poppin'.